And this is Volkswagen GTI, one of the toughest body lines to work with, about 5 inches. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that the gap here for the access is extremely tight, so we're likely going to have to remove this rubber molding, and we should be able to access it nicely. Dents on the GTIs, Golfs, Jettas, on this spot is extremely difficult to work with, and the reason why is because the body line is very sharp. So we're gonna have to remove the rubber molding here in order for us to get behind the dent. Anyways, my game plan here is to pull this part here that is above the body line with the glue pulling, and once I get the metal flowing, I'm gonna do some tap down, knockdown, then blending. And then what I want to do is I want to get behind it and massage that. Anyways, stay tuned and let's take a look at it. This moldings, they come off pretty easy. What I do is I spray with some wax before I actually remove them, and that kind of like lubricates and helps me to remove it easier. So as you can see, I just pull it by hand. There's no screw that is holding it in its place, just like that. Once we remove the molding, you can actually see how much room we have here. As you guys can see, I can now work on it easily without being afraid damaging of that seal. Alright, so my first glue tab is placed and it's time to pull it. I'm gonna be using mini lifter. That was very serious pull. Let me show it to you quickly what it looks like. Check this out. That was nice pull right here. As you can see, we got now a buckle that goes right here. We're gonna have to work on it. Same thing on the other side. Let's go ahead and do some blend work. When you do a knockdown and all of a sudden you see that everything is looking perfect, you don't need any more, there's one trick you can do. You can take the light and move it backward. So further away you're moving your light, you're gonna see more and more details on your dent. And I guarantee you're gonna find some imperfections, some more high spots where you can work on. More even you're gonna get that panel, easier is gonna get the glue pulling, easier is gonna get the dent repair process. You're gonna have better results as well. So this is what it looks like after our first glue pull and knockdown. I guess you guys can see already the results. We slowly moving this dent out and it looks nice and clean. Now we have this to work with and that part over there. So next step would be to glue pull this area here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit that with a tool. That was a good pull. This pull was excellent. I'll show it to you later. So what I want to do now, I want to go ahead and pull the part that is right here. There's a fine line, so I want to pull that line as well. All right. As you guys can see, I was able to shrink this a little bit. Now just a little bit left, and also I was able to pull this, not completely, but you can see there's some high spots I'm going to be working on. And then once I do that high spots and all that here, this high spots here, I'm going to be able to get my tool behind and massage this out. Gonna change the angle. I'm done doing knockdown. I want to show you what it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like now. Now we have a little bit of a indentation here. I'm gonna have to do with the tooling, and we also have this dent right here on this body line, but you can see how it decreased in the size. So I'm going to be using this PDR Finesse tool with adjustable handle, super comfortable tool. I would highly recommend getting one of this. This is my favorite door tool from PDR Finesse, the favorite one. The number of this tool is 36S. All right, it's almost there, just a little bit more. This is a finishing process. It takes the most of my time. The details, the little teeny tiny imperfections, that's what takes the most of my time on dent repair. All right. I'm about to finish this repair and I need to do some blending work, right? Guess what? I'm going to be using my hammer, but I need something that is longer. I want to get all the waves out. And when I'm here from this distance, it looks perfect. But as soon as I get behind this rear door, I can start seeing all kind of imperfections. This hammer, this magic hammer, I call it magic hammer for a reason, because we can get the extension and voila, we got a nice beautiful hammer. What hammer in the PDR industry can do this? Huh. Oh. So I'm done with this dent repair. So now I want to do a little bit of a wet sand. In this case, I'm going to be using toll cut with 3000 grit. Just lightly sand it and then buff it, and then we'll be good to go. All right, well done. Let me show it to you what it looks like now. And this is our final result. Came out really, really nice. I'm super happy, super pleased with this result. It came out flawless. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.